Here's what a proper clean actually looks like. Hi, I'm Daniel from Scope Facilities. I help property owners and managers avoid common maintenance problems before they turn into costly repairs. In this series, I'll share simple, practical tips to keep your property safe and running smoothly. Here's what a proper clean actually looks like. This is before scope cleaning, smudged glass, dull floors, dusty edges. And this is after clear glass, polished floors, fresh space. The difference? Structured commercial cleaning. Scope Facilities transforms your space and your image. Drop your maintenance issue below, and we'll explain the solution in the next video. Drop.